Hi everyone, and welcome back to Calwain Health TV. It's so good to be connecting with you all again. Today we're talking about jumpstarting your weight loss journey with simple exercises you can do right at home. No gym memberships, no fancy equipment, just you, your body, and the willingness to make a change. Just 15 minutes a day is all it takes to start seeing real results. These exercises are designed to fit into even the most hectic schedules. Are you ready to get started? Let's do this. Our first exercise is a classic for a reason: high knees. This is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and torch calories. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Now imagine you're jogging in place, but bring those knees up high, aim for waist level. Keep your core engaged, and don't be afraid to really pump those arms. You should feel your heart working, but remember to pace yourself. We're going for sustainable movement here, not a sprint to the finish line. What I love about high knees is that they work your entire body. You're engaging your core to stabilize yourself. Your legs are doing the heavy lifting, and even your arms are getting a workout. If you're new to exercise, start with short bursts of high knees, maybe 30 seconds at a time, and gradually increase the duration as you build stamina. And if you're more advanced, challenge yourself by picking up the pace or adding a jump at the top of each knee lift. Remember, it's all about listening to your body and finding what works best for you. High knees are a simple yet powerful tool in your weight loss journey. This exercise packs a punch when it comes to burning calories. High knees are a fantastic way to kickstart your metabolism and set the tone for a successful weight loss journey. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get those knees up and start burning some serious calories. Now let's move on to another exercise that's as effective as it is familiar: jumping jacks. This simple yet powerful movement has been a staple in fitness routines for decades, and for good reason. This classic movement is a full-body workout that's easy on your joints, making it a great option for people of all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, jumping jacks can be tailored to meet your needs. Start by standing with your feet together and your arms at your sides. This is your starting position, and from here, you can launch into the exercise with confidence. Then, jump your feet out to the sides while simultaneously raising your arms above your head. This coordinated movement engages multiple muscle groups at once. Land softly on the balls of your feet and immediately jump back to the starting position. That's one repetition. Remember, the key is to keep your movements controlled and deliberate. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise and maintain a steady rhythm. This not only helps in maximizing the benefits, but also in preventing any potential injuries. If you're new to jumping jacks, start with a slower pace and gradually increase the speed as you feel more comfortable. It's important to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Jumping jacks are a fantastic way to get your heart pumping and your blood flowing. They can quickly elevate your heart rate, making them an excellent cardiovascular exercise. They work your legs, core, and arms all at once, making them a highly efficient exercise for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. This multifaceted approach ensures you get the most out of your workout. But the benefits of jumping jacks don't stop there. They offer a range of advantages that go beyond just physical fitness. They're also great for improving coordination, balance, and bone density. These additional benefits make jumping jacks a well-rounded exercise that supports overall health. Plus, they're a fun and energizing way to start your day or squeeze in a quick workout anytime, anywhere. Their versatility means you can do them in your living room, at the park, or even in your office. I love to start my mornings with a few sets of jumping jacks. It's a simple routine that can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. It's a great way to wake up my body and mind, and it sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. The burst of energy you get from this exercise can help you tackle your daily tasks with vigor. Make jumping jacks a regular part of your fitness regimen, and you'll be amazed at the results. So let's get jumping. Incorporate them into your daily routine and watch as your fitness levels soar. Now, let's move on to an exercise that's all about building strength and sculpting those legs and glutes: bodyweight squats. This compound exercise works multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a highly effective way to burn calories and boost your metabolism. Start by standing with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and chest lifted. Now, Lower your hips down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Make sure your knees track over your toes and go as low as you comfortably can while maintaining good form. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. That's 1 repetition. Bodyweight squats are a fantastic exercise for strengthening your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, which are some of the largest muscle groups in your body. And the more muscle you build, the more calories you burn at rest, even when you're not working out. They also improve your core strength, balance, and mobility. If you're new to squats, try practicing in front of a mirror to make sure you're maintaining proper form. So, let's get squatting. Incorporate this powerful exercise into your routine and watch as your lower body transforms and your metabolism soars. Are you ready to feel the burn? It's time to push your limits and see what your body is truly capable of. Our next exercise is all about building endurance and toning those thighs wall sits. This exercise will not only test your physical strength, but also your mental fortitude. This isometric exercise, meaning it involves holding a static position, might seem deceptively simple, but trust me, it's a true test of strength and stamina. The longer you hold, the more you'll feel the intensity. Find a wall and stand with your back flat against it, feet shoulder-width apart, about 2 feet away from the wall. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground. Slide your back down the wall until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Ensure your knees are directly above your ankles, not jutting out past your toes. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and arms relaxed at your sides. Focus on maintaining a strong posture throughout the exercise. Now hold this position for as long as you can. Challenge yourself to push past your comfort zone. You should feel the burn in your quads and glutes. This sensation is a sign that your muscles are working hard and getting stronger. Wall sits are a fantastic way to build muscular endurance in your lower body, particularly your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They are also great for improving overall leg strength. And the longer you hold the position, the more challenging it becomes, forcing your muscles to work harder and adapt. This progressive overload is key to building strength. They also improve your posture, balance, and core stability. By engaging your core, you're also working on your abdominal muscles. Plus, they're a low-impact exercise, making them a great option for people of all fitness levels, even those with joint pain. This makes wall sits accessible to a wide range of individuals. To make wall sits more challenging, try holding a weight plate or dumbbell in your lap, or lift one leg off the ground at a time. These variations will increase the intensity and further engage your muscles. And if you need a modification, simply decrease the angle of your squat, or hold the position for a shorter duration. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and adjust as needed. So, find a wall, engage those muscles, and feel the burn. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the process of getting stronger. Wall sits are a simple yet highly effective exercise that will challenge your body and deliver incredible results. Keep practicing and you'll see significant improvements in your strength and endurance. Let's move on to an exercise that's all about building core strength and stability, the plank. This exercise is a staple in many fitness routines for a reason. This powerful isometric exercise engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, helping you sculpt a strong and toned midsection while improving your overall posture and balance. It's not just about the abs, it's about creating a solid foundation for your entire body. To get into a plank position, start by lying on your stomach with your forearms on the floor, elbows aligned below your shoulders, and palms flat on the ground. This setup is crucial for maintaining proper form and avoiding injury. Extend your legs behind you, feet hip-width apart, and tuck your toes under. Make sure your body is in a straight line from your head to your heels. Now, engage your core, tuck your pelvis slightly, and lift your body off the ground, forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine a string pulling you up from the center of your back. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining proper form. Focus on your breathing and keep your body steady. The plank might look simple, but it's a challenging exercise that works your entire core, including your rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. It's a full-body workout in disguise. A strong core is essential for good posture, balance, and preventing back pain. It supports your spine and helps you move more efficiently. They also strengthen your back muscles, shoulders, and glutes, improve your balance and stability, and enhance your overall athletic performance. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to stay fit, planks are incredibly beneficial. To make planks more challenging, try lifting one arm or leg off the ground at a time or adding a shoulder tap or a hip dip. These variations can help you target different muscle groups and keep your workouts interesting. And if you need a modification, simply lower your knees to the ground or hold the position for a shorter duration. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. So find your inner strength, engage that core, and hold that plank. Consistency is key, and with time, you'll see significant improvements. This powerful exercise will transform your body from the inside out, leaving you feeling strong, confident, and ready to take on the world. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey to a stronger you. So there you have it. 5 simple yet incredibly effective exercises that you can do right at home to jumpstart your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises a regular part of your routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day, and you'll be amazed at the results. Every journey begins with a single step. Share your progress with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these exercises are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Calwain Health TV for more life-transforming health tips. Check our description box below for free guides, recommended fitness gear, and meal plans that work.